Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today these two lazy little doggies are going to be doing some challenges. I don't know why they're sleeping. They're not even really sleeping, they're just laying and being all lazy. So that is Bella. Bella, say hi. And that one is Chloe. And that's the mother of this dog. Yeah, just give them looks. And so they're gonna be doing some challenges for you guys today. I hope you like it. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below to see more videos. Hopefully they will be willing to do some very soon, guys. So if you hear any popping sound, that is gunshots, and that there's a firing range, a shooting range I mean, really close by. So yeah, she's a lab cross and that's a pavement special. But anyway, so let's get into the video. So the first up we have the egg challenge, and let's see what Bella does. She just refuses to put it in her mouth. So the egg challenge for Chloe. Chloe, try. Take it. Hey! Ta. Give it back. Give it back. You can't eat it. Give it. Oh shit. Ah, you broke it. You broke it. You broke it. But good girl, Chloe. That was a Chloe. Chloe, come. Chloe. Ew. Chloe. You got it? Yeah, a little bit, but... Okay, come again. You got it? Yeah. Come, Chloe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.